Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering parts and installing a no-code environment. Plug the Arduino into your computer with the USB cable, then open the drag-and-drop app you installed. Once done, select the board model so the software communicates properly. Now place an LED and a 220 ohm resistor onto a breadboard and connect jumpers to the Arduino pins and ground. This first setup makes sure both hardware and software are paired, and you can move to visual programming without writing any code. You now assemble behavior using visual blocks to control outputs. Drag a setup block to initialize pin modes, then add loop blocks for repeating actions. For example, digital write high, delay 500, digital write low, delay 500. Make sure to map the LED to pin 13 or your chosen pin so signals route correctly. Once the blink works, attach sensors or buttons using input blocks and conditionals. This layered approach helps you validate each step and prevents cascading. You're ready to finalize and deploy the project. Use the app's upload or export feature to flash the Arduino. Watch the status lights for progress. Once uploaded, calibrate sensors with sliders or live value readouts so behavior matches expectations. If something fails, first confirm power and USB connectivity, then verify pin mapping and COM port selection. If still stuck, swap the USB cable and simplify the sketch to a single blink to isolate hardware versus configuration issues before expanding again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.